Hello everyone, welcome to solve this very nice problem for the value of x. 125 to the power x plus 5 power x is equal to 30. So let's come to the solution. As 125 is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, this we can write as 5 cube. So in the place of 125 we will write 5 cube whole power x plus 5 power x, this is equal to 30. Now by using an algebraic identity that if we have a power m whole power n, this is equal to a power m whole power m. So using this property that 5 power x whole cube, this will become plus 5 power x, this is equal to 30. Now suppose that 5 power x is equal to y. So this will become y cube plus y is equal to 30. Now moving 30 from right hand side to left hand side, this will become negative and this whole thing is equal to 0. Now we have y cube plus y minus 30. So we will write minus 30 as minus 27 plus minus 3. Minus 27 and minus 3 we get minus 30. This is equal to 0. As 27 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 3 9 and 9 multiplied by 3 27. So 27 is equal to 3 cube. Y cube minus 3 cube plus y minus 3 and this whole thing is equal to 0. Now by using an algebraic identity that if we have a cube minus b cube, this is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Here we have the value of a is y and b is 3. So by using this property here, this will become y minus 3 into y squared plus ab y into 3 plus 3 squared plus y minus 3 as it is, this is equal to 0. Now y minus 3 into y squared plus 3y plus 3 squared, which is 9, plus y minus 3 and this whole thing is equal to 0. Now y minus 3 is a common factor, so we can factor out this y minus 3 and inside here y squared plus 3y plus 9 plus, as we have factor out y minus 3, so here 1 will be left and this whole thing is equal to 0. Now we have two factors, that y minus 3 into y squared plus 3y plus 9 plus 1 10 is equal to 0. Now y minus 3 is equal to 0 and y squared plus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. From y minus 3 is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 3. And this is a quadratic equation, so we will apply the quadratic formula here. The value of a is 1, b is 3 and c is 10. And the quadratic formula is minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Putting the values of a, b and c here, y is equal to minus 3 plus minus b squared means 3 squared, which is 9, minus 4 multiplied by 1 4, and 4 multiplied by 10 40, divide by 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2. So we get y is equal to minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 40 minus 31 divided by 2. This minus 31, we will write this as y is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 31 into square root of minus 1. Square root of minus 1 is iota divided by 2. So we have y is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root 31 I divided by 2. Now recall that we have supposed that 5 power x is equal to y. So in the first case, 5 power x, this is equal to y, which is 3, and another value of y, 5 power x, this is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 31 iota divided by 2. Now taking log on both sides, so this will become log of 5 to the power x, this is equal to log of 3, and also here this will become log of 5 to the power x is equal to log of minus 3 plus minus square root 31 I divided by 2. Using a logarithmic property, that if we have log of m to the power n, this is equal to n log of m. So the above equation will become as x log of 5 is equal to log of 3, and the second equation will become as, by using this logarithmic property here, this will become x log of 5 is equal to log of minus 3 plus minus square root 31 I divided by 2. Now dividing both sides by log 5. In this case, we will dividing both sides also by log 5 because we are interested to find out the value of x. Now this log 5 from denominator and from numerator cancel out each other. We will left with x is equal to log of 3 divided by log of 5. And here log 5 and log 5 cancel out. X is equal to log minus 3 plus minus square root 31 I divided by 2 whole divided by log of 5. Now by using another logarithmic property, that if we have log of m divided by log of n, then this is equal to log of m to the base n. Using this property here, this will become x is equal to log of 3 to the base 5. This is the first value of x, and by using this property here, this will become x is equal to log of minus 3 plus minus square root 31 I divided by 2 to the base 5. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed the Math Click, please subscribe this.